happens to grab me, you're going to hold this, yeah, I'm going to keep you in the testicles, pushing down. Yeah. That's neck, yeah. All you do once you got him, people make a mistake. They try and force him, there's no pressure there, is there, Gav? No. I just hold him, and I make a belly. Yeah? Now be careful now, start back of his neck. That's that. Just one hander. Let's pull in this way, push off that way. See that there? Yeah? Yes. So, what you can also do, if you come around and watch, just add little subtleties to it. We're driving into large intestine 4 and just banging that down a little bit. Then pull this over. So now that's presented that way, can you see? So then that is driving into there. And if you look at my hand, I'm pretty much there in the kata position. So other hand, sorry, good. And down to the okay, wait. Some of these elbow techniques, yeah. So if you think about fighting, often the guard is beginning to look like this posture anyway, isn't it? You know, so as he looks slowly, hook that punch. Good. Thank you. Yeah. What do you want? Yeah, this posture, yeah, and look what he does. Watch. Well, not really down. And there it is. This works really well, yeah. That's great. You want me to demonstrate what you feel this, yeah? And this is that posture in kata. So lots of people are trying to do this. You just mount up there and drive your elbows into this. Yeah, you'll soon find that'll break. Yeah? Okay, so try that. Hope you enjoyed our video.